All right. Question number 2. We have simplified the following expressions fully. All right. We have 2.1, 2.1.1. It's 4p 2 minus 5x. To simplify it fully, it's going to be 8p minus 20px 2.1.2, where minus 2x plus 3x minus 2. Simplify it fully, is going to be equals to 2x plus 3. Let's just not make it, let's just keep it straightforward as possible. Bracket FOIL, which is going to be this one times this one. It's going to be that one times that one. It's going to be this one times this one. It's going to be that one times this one. So 2x times 3x is going to be 6x squared. 2x times negative 2 is going to be minus 4x. 3 times 3x is going to be plus 9x. And then 3 times negative 2 is going to be minus 6. All of this is multiplied by this. 6x squared, 4 plus 9, negative 4 plus positive 9 is positive 5x minus 6. Everything multiplied by everything. This times that is going to be minus 12x squared. This times that minus 10x. This times that is a positive 12. And then we proceed to say, let me see, 2.1.3, which is 4x plus 1 squared minus 3x plus 1 and 3x minus 1. It says simplified fully. It simply means that this side we're going to have 4x plus 1, 4x plus 1 minus 3x plus 1, 3x minus 1. 4, again, it is the same method, which is this times this times that, this times this, and this times that. What we're going to have is 4 times 4, 4x times 4x is going to be 16x squared. 4x times 1 is going to be 4x. 4x times 1, 1 times 4x is going to be 4x. 1 times 1 is going to be 1. All of this minus bracket, same story, times that one, times that one, this one times this one, and this one times that one. Right, we're going to say 3x times 3x is going to be 9x squared. 3x times minus 1 is going to be minus 3x. Let's squeeze it a little bit so that we can try and put this here. Minus 3x. And then we're going to say 1 times 3 is plus 3x. I'm going to say 1 times minus 1 is minus 1. Big bracket. Alright, we're going to go 16x squared. 4x plus 4x, 8x plus 1 minus bracket 9x squared. 3x plus negative 3x plus x plus 3x is 0 minus 1 bracket. Then we continue to say 16x plus 8x plus 1 minus 9x squared. Negative 1 times negative is a plus 1. We go with the like terms, which is 16x squared plus minus 16x squared minus 9. 16 minus 9 is going to be 7x squared. and then we're going to have plus 8x, going to be have 1 plus 1 is going to be plus 2. Yes, this is going to be that. And then the last question is factorize the following expression completely. And the expression is going to be 2.2.2. No, 2.2. 2.2. And that expression is x squared, if I'm not mistaken. Let me view this. Yes, is x squared. Right. Is x squared bracket x minus 1, x minus 1 plus 25 plus 25 1 minus x. 1 minus x. Say fully factorize this. So there is this specific rule that suggests something along these lines, right? If we say negative 25, it's going to also change to rearrange the things inside, which is going to be like this. And then we're going to have x minus 1 times x squared minus 25. That's the factorization. Probably you don't understand it strictly from what I did here. This is the solution. But let me explain it to you, maybe in the best way I can possibly imagine. So what we have, this is the solution. This is the solution here. What we have is x squared, x minus 1 plus 25, 1 minus x. Right, okay, cool. What do we have? We have x squared, x minus 1, right? And then you say plus 25. If you want to rearrange this thing here to look like that thing here, right, you're going to have to multiply it by negative 1. So it's simply like you are saying this thing inside here multiplied by negative 1, but also you must multiply the thing outside by negative 1, which means if you multiply by negative 1 here, you multiply by negative 1 there, you didn't necessarily do anything, right? What ends up happening is that you're going to have x squared minus 1 minus 25, but the ones inside, they will rearrange, right? Because you multiply by negative 1 outside and multiply by negative inside, it is technically by multiplying by what? By positive 1. And multiply by positive 1 is just simply multiplying by 1. It doesn't necessarily change the expression. That's as best as I can explain it. And then inside we're going to have something like this, right? Now, here you might not understand why we just take this, we put it there, and we take this, we put it there, and then we leave those ones here. If I am going to say, for instance, I have x squared, ax squared plus bx squared plus, let's say something like this, plus b cubed plus cx, right? Something along these lines. If I was to factorize this, I would factorize it by putting the x outside. Inside I'll have an ax plus a bx plus a c, right? By factorizing. Here I am factorizing. I'm saying x minus 1, put him outside. So what do I have? I have x squared minus 25 when I am factorizing. It is simply this. It's just that this one comes with 2. It's just that it comes with 2 things, so it becomes a bit complicated. But this is the solution to these questions. This is 2.2. Right. Let me just where is this? Erase this, so that when you're going through it alone, you don't get it doesn't complicate it for you. That is, as far as I am concerned, going to be the answer for this thing here. 5 point boom 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 boom. Yeah, all the answers are solved here. send more questions if you have.